The following is a morning walk conversation with His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on December 18th, 1973 in Los Angeles.
The main point is that in God we trust. On this slogan, so the same point that what do you mean by God and what do you mean by trust? That you do not know. So you have to explain what is God and what is trust thoroughly from our books. Our point of propaganda actually that it is very good that you write this slogan, in God we trust. But nobody has got clear conception of God. Neither they do not know what is the meaning of trust. Under the circumstances, so you have to learn it scientifically. And our propaganda is like that, to teach actually what is God and what is trust. You, an important man of the state, you come forward, try to understand and open schools, colleges, make it perfectly known what is God and make America strong. As the Communist Party, they are preaching godlessness. Now America should praise. No. In God we trust. Now there should be a fight, not on the political point of view, but actually it includes everything. A class of man godless and a class of man who knows God. There should be fight. Then there will be peace in the world. The class of men who do not believe in God, they should be punished because they are creating all the troubles. A man who trusts in God, he is the ideal man. He will never create any trouble. Therefore this science should be learned very scientifically. And we are prepared. And you also must be able to teach them. Then it will be success. You leave little alone. Paravo bhaktasya kuto mahadguna. Anyone who does not know what is God and does not know how to trust in God, he is animal. So how we can expect human civilization composed of some animals? That you have to learn from us. If you are serious, if you simply make it a slogan, but you remain same as a man who does not know what is God, then what is the meaning of this slogan? That will not help you. Just like sometimes they put this signboard, good man and company, businessman. The signboard is good man, but he is cheating simply from business point of view. That kind of signboard will not help you. If you actually believe in God, then try to understand what is God. Otherwise, how you can believe? If you do not know the person, in whom you have to trust. How you can trust him? Is it clear or not? I say trust in him, but if I do not know that man, how I can trust? You must explain that this man is in this way trustworthy. Otherwise, what is the meaning of my trust? This science should be understood. What is God and what is trust? That you discuss thoroughly, threadbare. Otherwise, how will you be able to preach? Ask all questions. I will answer. But you must be thoroughly convinced that there is need of God and everyone must trust in God. This is the standard of civilization. God is there. Without God, there cannot be anything existing. This is first point. And we must trust in God. Those who are speaking in God we trust, at least they believe that there is God. Now, where is God, how he is living, what he is doing, this must be known. Just like in America, there is need of a president. But those who are advanced in American history, they must know what is that president, what is his position, what is the constitution. That is, perfect knowledge must be there about God. And perfect knowledge, how to trust Him. This is now required. Otherwise the world is going to... Not that theologians speculation on God. First thing is, there is God. Now how people can be convinced that there is God? Tell me. Speak.
How can people become...
Yes, there is God.
Well, all of these different varieties of plants, animals, planetary systems, the sun rising. There has to be some controller, some brain who's made this order. They can become convinced simply by chanting Hare Krishna.
Yes, that is the background. But you have to explain.